Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to discuss about the Python code cell, markdown cell, and header cell. So this option is available in Jupyter Notebook. So what is markdown? So markdown makes it easy to add syntax to your plain text document for readability and machine parsing. Machine parsing means what? So if you convert your code into markdown, so that code will not be executed. Okay, so it will work as a header. So let's see. So this option you will get into Jupyter Notebook. So I will do the practical. So see here, this is my Jupyter Notebook. So here I want to take multiple cells. So how we can take multiple cells? So here you need to put your pointer. Do not put your pointer in cell. You have to put your pointer out of cell. Then press B, B, B. 4 cells I have taken. Now first cells you have to write down the header as a basic. So here I want to write down the basic. So that's why I want to take as a basic code. So how we can do it? So you will have to go to, as of now, this cell is in code cell. Okay, so code cell means you will get this one in square bracket and this. So if you convert into markdown, so you can see here, this is converted in markdown, that part is gone. Okay, now whatever things you will write, it will work as a plain text. So here I want to write basic Python code and I want to run it. So here I'm running through the control enter. So see here, now it will work as a header. Now you can't run it, so it will not give you output. After executing, it will not give you output. So now if you want to change as a code, so here you need to put your pointer and go to, you have to select this cell and then you have to code. So this is the code window. Now it's converted into code cells. Okay. So if you want to convert into markdown and you want to take as a header, first you need to convert into markdown, or you can convert into R row NV convert. Row NV convert is just a HTML formatted text. Okay. So markdown is also HTML formatted text. So here I want to take as a header, means you want to take this text into bigger in size. So it will looks like header. So you can see here I have taken it. So Jupyter Notebook is giving you notifications. So Jupyter no longer uses special heading cells. Instead, write your heading in Markdown cell using hash. So you can click on OK. This is just a notification. Now, whenever you will run this code, so see here, I'm just running through the control enter. So see here, now it will look like very good header. So here I want to take like print and how are you? Run it. Now it's working fine, but this is a header. I want to take one more header as a variable. So how we can do it? So you need to take here markdown and here you need to write down Python variable. If you convert into a markdown, then it will not execute, but it will looks like very smaller in size. But if you convert into header, so see here I'm just header taking header. Now it will looks like a bigger header. Okay. Now you have to run it, control enter. So see here, now it's a second header and you can write here variables example. So here I'm taking in and here I'm taking Ra or I'm taking your John. Okay. And then you need to take your print and here I'm taking variable and enter run. So this is the basic Python code. I have taken header. I have written basic Python code. Here I want to give example of variable. So here I have taken the example of variable. I put down the header as a variable. So how we can convert this cell into code? So you need to you have examples through the code. So you have to go to this option and you can click in code. Now it looks like just a comment. So this is also working fine, but comment is just a code window. Okay, code cells. Okay, so you can utilize this hash and you can take here whatever comments you want to take. Okay, so here is the example. So now if I'm putting here, so see here, if I press M, then automatically it's converted as a markdown, you know. So see here, I'm just putting, so see here, code. Okay. So here I'm taking M, markdown, C, uh, B, code. Okay. So see here, you can utilize, if you are not aware about the shortcuts, so at that time you can utilize this option. Otherwise, suppose as of now this is in code, but here you need to put your pointer on this place. In this place you have to click and press B, sorry, not B, M, so it will convert it as a markdown. See here. Okay, so this is a shortcut to convert your headers into markdown. Okay, and then you have to run it, it will look like a header. So this is all about the markdown and header code. So markdown means we are taking header, code means I want to I can execute it and I will get any result. But through the markdown we will not get any result, it will looks like a header. So thank you so much for this video.